Hello dear friends, and welcome back into the channel. In this video I've got you something interesting actually. Now lately I've noticed while I was using the social, we can say media apps like Snapchat, right? Now I noticed that my iPhone accidentally took a screenshot by double tapping the back of the iPhone, which is enabled in the settings, right? But this will lead to will get me into like an embarrassing situation because for example, for Snapchat, when I take a screenshot of someone else's we can say streak or something like that, they will be notified and I'll get into an embarrassing situation. However, to avoid this situation, right, there is the solution. Now go to the settings, right, and then tap on accessibility, scroll down and tap on touch, and here in the bottom we have back tap, which is on. Now toggle it off or just set at none, right, which is much better. So I believe this will, if you keep this one on, right, will get you in such a situation which is embarrassing. If you agree with me, share with your friends, and see you next time. Bye bye.